Hi, this is Joe, a tour, and today we are in Rudesheim at the little tiny Rudesheimer Christmas market. Now, normally Rudesheim would have this international market with stands from all around the world, and that was a private thing, and the city wanted them to fence everything off and control vaccines, and they said, we don't want to do it. So all the people in Rudesheim, all the businesses decided, we will make our own little Christmas market. So look how cute these are. I've never seen anything like these before. I like the little birds. So it is really, really small, but it's fun to come to Rudesheim anyway. It's right up on the Rhine, direct train from Frankfurt. Takes just a little bit over an hour to get here. So over here, they're doing soup and bread and bockwurst. We're gonna come around over here. They've got almonds, roasted almonds. So these almonds are like pralines. They've got like a sugar coating and then different flavors on them. We've got lavender over here and hats. A little carousel here. Oh, these look nice. Little Pumbas. So this is a cheese stand here. He's got all different kinds of cheeses. Let's take a look at these. I've bought these before. These are really delicious. There's starting to be some people up here today. Now we've got little snow globes and all kinds of little Christmas decorations. And we've got a little train. So knowing YouTube, we'll probably block that part out because there's a song. So this is about it for the Christmas market up here. There were a couple little places in town that are doing little Christmas markets in their courtyards. So we're gonna go down there too. So they got a little Glühwein stand here and of course crepes. And wine over here because this is Rudesheim, we're up on the Rheingau. And this is the French fry stand or the Pommesbude. And they've got all kinds of French fries. So the church that's over here, St. Jacob's, this was destroyed in the war. And if you've watched my other Rudesheim video, we talk about that. So I'm gonna turn this off now and we'll pick this back up in a minute. So this is the little Bromserberg Christmas market. So if you're 2G, you can come in here. They have some little stands set up. The Bromserberg is this big stone building here. It's usually a wine museum. So they just have like food and drink and some little pop-up stands. Like every place else here at Rudesheim, it's 2G. If you want to come to a store, if you want to go to a restaurant, it's 2G. So either vaccinated or recovered. We're now at the Ausbach factory where the Rhine Weinveld is, but they've got like a little pop-up Christmas market back in here that's just here on the weekends. I believe all the way up through the 31st of December. Obviously not on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. So this is cute. So this is a good place to come for wine tasting. They've got a little Glühwein stand over here. They have handmade things here. So it's just a little, all kinds of handmade stuff, handcrafts. I believe this is also here on Fridays. And just like all the other stores in Rudesheim, it's 2G. We'll take a peek in here. I asked earlier if I could. Hallo.
Sie sehen das mit dem Video.
Ja. Ich hoffe, dass viele Leute kommen. Hallo. Danke. That's a lovely Santa. This is the Salon der Schöne Dinge. So beautiful things. This has to be the nicest looking Santa Claus I've seen. Here's some more information about this pop-up Christmas market that's here. Christmas in the Asbachgasse. Okay, this is one of the little pop-up stores. Look at the beautiful things that are in here. These are the most unusual ornaments. If you're looking for handcrafted items made with love and care and creativity, this is the place to come to. Look at these. I like the little reindeers. Those are cute. They have all kinds of different things here. So there's several artists that are in here together with all sorts of items. I don't know how I would pick anything. So this is here on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, up through the 31st of December. So come shopping and make these people's Christmas nice. Thank you. And this is a new restaurant that's back here called Bees. I don't know if it has anything to do with honey or not. Let's look at the menu. I can't see that it's anything like just special honey, but it looks nice. It's nice to see them using these old factories for something so fun. And truly, if you haven't been to this wine tasting place in here, this is the best deal in all of Rudesheim. Well, there's a beehive thing over there. So, come to Little Christmas Market in the Asbachgasse every weekend. Thank you for watching. This is Jo saying goodbye, and we'll see you at the next Christmas market.